Here we go. So here's our first car. What colour is this car, Marley?
Blue car.
Blue car. Do you think you can find a blue PJ Masks character?
There he is.
There he is. Will we put him in the car?
Right there.
He was right there, wasn't he?
Yeah, there.
So who is this?
Catboy.
Catboy. Good job.
That's
Where, you going to put Catboy down the slide again?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, there's Catboy. Do you think you can find me a green car, Marley? Is there a green car anywhere?
It's right there.
Can you put it down the slide?
Yep.
Oh, we're putting the blue one and the green one down. Put the blue one down. There we go. What about the green one? Green car. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Targets.
Have we got a green character? The green PJ Masks character? Can you find a green PJ Masks character? We'll put him in the green car. We'll put him in the green car. Who is it? Who's this one? Who's this one?
That's my boy.
Which boy?
Yeah.
Oh, PJ Mask boy. This one's actually Gecko boy.
Gecko boy.
Gecko boy. Let's put Gecko boy in the green car. Oh, Marley's about to put down the blue car. Here's the green one. Put the green one down. Gecko boy. Oh, here comes Gecko boy.
Got it.
You got it. What about a red car? We got a red car?
All falling out.
All falling out. Daddy, fix it. Can
Falling
you,
out.
while I fix it, can you find a red car, Marley? Where's a red car? What about this one? Oh, we're moving back.
That's better. My move it.
You moved it back. Good job.
Ew.
Okay, what about a red
My
car?
move it.
You moved it. What about a red car, Marley?
There he is.
There it is. And what about a red character? We got a red character?
There he is.
Let's get this one. This one's Owlette.
That's it.
Owlette. Okay, let's put Owlette in the red car. Here's Owlette. Can you put Owlette down the slide?
Yeah.
Here goes Owlette.
Pew, pew.
Here goes Owlette.
Ding, ding.
Oh, Owlette's having some friends.
And different.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Owlette's just got Gecko Boy in the back.
Not pushing. Not smashing.
No friends?
Yeah.
Okay, will we put all three down the slide?
Yeah, both and side.
Okay, let's give it a go.
And two down side.
Just two?
Yeah, that two.
Here we go. Oh, whoa, there goes. Oh no.
That's it.